Have you liked someone else's story and you also want to share or repost it as your own? Well, after the 2026 update, now there are 3 different ways to do that. All right, so first, you gotta go to the story that you want to share. And if that person allows reposting their story, you'll have this repost button. Just tap on it. And then you can reposition, resize, customize the story as you like. If it's a video, you can also share it as a reel. Otherwise, you can just tap on share. That's it. The second way is to paste the link of their story along with your own one. So for that, like before, just open their story and then tap on these 3 dots and then hit copy link to share this story. Now get out of here, tap on create story. You can choose the image that you want to share along with that link and then go to stickers, tap on link, press and hold down the URL bar and then tap on paste and then hit add. You can customize the link for better visibility if you want. And finally, just hit share. Their story link will be added to your own story and anyone can visit it by tapping over it and then go to the link. The third way to repost story is if anyone have mentioned you in their story, and along with that, if they toggle on this reposting button. After they mention, you will be notified. And if you enter that story, you will see a reshare this story option. Just tap on it. And like before, if you want, you can customize it according to your own taste. And then finally, just hit share. And these are all the ways that you can repost any story on Facebook. Thanks for watching.